Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account with the Mortal Kombat game. So let's get started right away. First of all, if you already have downloaded the game, then go ahead and open it up and wait for the game until it is loaded. Once the game is loaded, if it is the first time that you are opening it up, then you will be taken through the tutorial. After you have completed your tutorial, you will start off with 3 different characters. And once your character has been set and you have completed a few levels, you will gain access to this screen where you can sign up for a new account. Simply tap on your player name at the top left section which says New Player. After tapping on it, you will be able to find the WB Play login section at the very bottom. So just go ahead and tap on it, and now you will be asked to log into your account if you already have one. Since you don't have an account and you want to sign up, you will need to select the option which says sign up using your email. Just go ahead and tap on it, and now you will be asked to enter your email address followed by your password. Just go ahead and type in your desired email address followed by your desired password. After typing in your email address and your password, you can tap on the next button, and then you will receive an email on your inbox to verify your account. So just open up your inbox and tap on the link within the email that you received from WB Play. Once you tap on the link, your account will be activated, and now you can use your newly created credentials to log into your account by typing them in the email and password section within the WB Play login box. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account with Mortal Kombat. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.